eat. We'll see y'all. I'm finna get ready to eat. It may be a little bit of an ASMR. Make sure y'all stop what y'all doing right now. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel, y'all. It's not gonna hurt you. It's free.com. It's free.com. I'm hungry, so we finna eat. Okay? Period. I hope everyone's doing good. Happy Saturday, happy Sunday to y'all. Whatever you get the video. Happy day. Disregard the noise in the background. So, yeah. Y'all, I'm gonna take a thumbnail real quick, y'all. This thumbnail probably gonna be all over the place, but it is what it is. Y'all, I forgot to tell y'all, I have some homemade, like a supreme pizza that you get from your local grocery store. Don't judge me, okay? A supreme pizza that I got from the store. I added my own little ingredients to it or whatever. Additional ingredients, but it's a supreme pizza. And I made my own wings here in the air fryer. So let's get a thumbnail real quick. It may be all over the place, but it's cool. I'm gonna get a thumbnail. Anyway. Alright, this bread. Now my pizza falling apart, y'all. I hope everyone's doing well. How y'all doing? What is that? Alright, what? Yeah. These wings. The wings I made is lit. Y'all, this is like that noise outside. Like, for real? What? Y'all, we back. Throughout my videos, y'all will see the inconsiderate. Y'all will notice. You guys will notice. I'm just drinking. Y'all, don't come for me the way I eat wings. You don't like it, click off. Y'all got some of this peppercorn ranch. I didn't even show y'all. HEB peppercorn ranch dressing is really good, y'all. I didn't tell y'all what I was drinking. I got some water right here. Off to the side. In the corner pocket. Right over here. Hey y'all, it's girl OMG. Yay! I'm just gonna do a small voiceover, y'all. Don't come for me the way I eat my chicken wings, y'all. I pick and skin over my chicken wings. I don't really care for the skin. You know, I devour and go for the meats and the flesh only. You know what I'm saying? Every now and again I may indulge in the seasoning and the skin on how I seasoned it with a little bit of crunch or whatever the case may be. I put these in my air fryer. It was nice. It was lovely. They were good, really good. I marinated them for like 30 minutes after I seasoned them and cleaned them. No, after I cleaned them, then seasoned them. You know what I'm saying? I clean my wings with like salt, some lemon, some vinegar, and also I do season them with some my regular seasonings, and then, you know, some pure, not pure, but spring water. Okay, so, you know, I'm getting good at eating my wings. I'm a little picky, but it was a lot going on outside, y'all. These people was actually, these men was actually outside with their beers on the counter, posted on the counter outside my apartment, talking about the football game, y'all. They was going in. Do you hear me? They was going in. I'm like, what is going on out here? Keep in mind, it's Saturday. So y'all might get this tonight, Saturday night, or y'all might get this on Sunday morning. It don't even matter because I'm editing this. I'm about to edit. Well, I'm actually editing it right now. You know what I'm saying? Doing my thing. But yeah, it was just too much going on. So I had to get all of that extra out of here. I'm scanning and picking over this chicken again. If you don't like it, if it's cringy to you, I do apologize. You know how to click off, or you can skip ahead when I started eating my pizza again. You know, whatever works for you. Whatever works for you. But don't come for me. Yeah, I was actually dipping it inside of this new peppercorn ranch I showed y'all earlier in the clip of this right here. That peppercorn ranch is lit, y'all. HEB peppercorn ranch. Don't be sleep. Or just peppercorn ranch. The pizza was good too. Supreme pizza. I had it in there a little while, but I like my pizza to be well done. I don't like for the dough to be all half done and everything. Y'all, I know y'all probably be looking at me the way I eat my chicken like, girl. And I know some of y'all saying BITCH. I can't hear y'all, but I know that's what y'all saying. Like, why am I eating my chicken wing like this? Why do I eat my chicken wings like this? Listen, like I told you before, if you don't like it, click off. I love y'all. You know what I'm saying? That's just me. I'm weird like that. That's how I eat my chicken wings. You know, not all the time, but majority of the time that's how I eat them, because I don't like veins. I don't like all that slimy stuff. You know what I'm saying? Ugh. Y'all don't understand. I just like the flesh and the meat of the chicken. Like the, you know, I don't know, the goodness of the chicken. I know y'all consider the goodness is the whole chicken, bones, sucking it, the marrow. Just go ahead and take a bite of that pizza. How about that? That pizza was lit though. Sausages, peppers, onions, pepperoni, and I added some extra baby Swiss cheese on there as well. Y'all. Trying to sleep in no damn bunk. I'm supposed to be here making anthems. And some of you niggas know well enough. Gonna stick with it, and if in a minute I know I've been too hard to find. I had to admit it, I know that you niggas could never be one of my kind. Agent persuasion, agent persuasion. She's I can go to her to back at it. Smoking the sky, this shit starting to hit like it's cracking it. The boy got the rock and sleep at the top like a crack at it. And that bread was a little rough toward the end there. I'm trying to bite down on that bread. Gave me a run for my money, honey. Oh yeah. Y'all, excuse me. I hope everyone is doing good out there. I hope that y'all are stopping while you're watching the video, that you like, comment, share, and subscribe, okay? Period. Y'all, why was I struggling to get that open? It was so hard to open. Y'all, it was stuck. I'm like, really? I'm over here laughing at myself, y'all, because it's good when you laugh at yourself. Because, y'all, I was struggling.
Suck it to me like you want to. I can take it like a pro, you know. Do a long throw with the backstroke. My hormones jumping like the disco. I be popping ish like some Crisco. Only got
Okay, y'all, honestly, right here, that was the whole topic, is them outside. And I know that y'all can hear them outside, other than y'all, than hearing me do this voiceover. But listen closely. Bro. Hey, y'all. Y'all, I thought they was finna start shooting, so I stopped. Your girl OMG. Yeah! Yeah, I'm not really full. I mean, I'm full, but I'm not full. It was just a lot going on throughout the video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. On a couple of these clips, I had to do a voiceover. But, y'all, I got one more piece of pizza left. I had like 3 pieces. Take another bite. Yeah, it's good. I'm finished this off camera. Everything is good. Okay, period. Make sure that y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. Make sure to go subscribe to, I have another channel too, but it's not getting the attention that I needed to get. It's called OMG Ye Live. Y'all going on over there. Make sure y'all follow me on Snapchat, TikTok, Facebook, of course, YouTube. I follow back. Oh, and Instagram. Don't forget about Instagram. Y'all go follow me on Instagram because I post certain things over there, of course, that y'all don't see over here. So yeah, I love y'all so much. To my real ones. Hold on. To my real ones, y'all. I hope y'all stay faithful, stay blessed. Always remember to keep God first, y'all, and stay safe out there. I know the weather has been a little kooky for other people, but y'all, I couldn't even get into no topic because the topic outside, as y'all can hear, about football. These people out here been drinking too much, and they sitting up here having a whole conversation about football outside my window. These walls are too damn thin. Damn! Oh!
I just wanna live in a